Hey YouTube, good morning, how's it going today? American #1 fan here. So today we are in the shop. This is gonna be my first video. I have a customer who has asked me to build him a headache rack for his pickup. So that's the project for today. But since we're here, I might as well go over some other projects that I have here, like the car that me and my son plan on building. So here we go. This is the car that my son and I plan on building. This is it right here. It is a 1953 Buick Special. I got two of them actually. This is what we are gonna name Project Slave 1. Now you're probably asking me why I call it Slave 1. Well, because my son and I are a real big fan of Star Wars, and for some reason this car kind of looks like Boba Fett to us. So his ship was called Slave 1. So that is what the name of this project is. That is pretty much the theme that we're gonna go with this car, with this build. I hope you like it. This is gonna be a project that's gonna go on for a little while. You know, like I said, not all projects are overnight, but this is it. But anyways, on to other stuff. This is what we're gonna be building over here. So I had a customer come to me, talk to me about building a headache rack. That's what this steel is here for. It's gonna be mainly made up of 2x4 and 2x2 steel. That is pretty much what it is. He actually even made up a kind of a jig template for me out of, you know, wood. That's this right here. This is what he kind of wants it to look like. Gonna definitely make it look better than that. We're gonna make this thing look pretty awesome. Pretty bad. But this is what he has. So this would be the back of it, as if we were looking through to his glass. But that's it right there. And this is my shop. You know, nothing great, a little dirty. But this is what we got going on. All right, guys. Let's get started. So this is where I'm at so far. It's coming out pretty good. I'm enjoying it. I don't know what I need to do as far as how this gentleman wants the top of this cut. So I gotta give him a call and find out what he's looking for. But this is what we got. This would technically be the back of it. I'm using this to kind of hold my distance from one bed rail to the other bed rail of the truck. Should be like 63 3/8 from this edge all the way over to this edge. A nice diagonal, nice look coming up so far, but this is what I'm talking about. This is where I need to figure out what he wants to cut. Do you want me to make it the same as this, or does he have more of a slope? So that's what I'm going to need to figure out. All right. So, kind of gave a little thing on the mag drill earlier. So now I'm going to actually use it. And the point of the mag drill is the fact that you can do it pretty much up to anything metal, any angle. Make sure you use this. Edge cream, cutting oil, whatever. Make sure you use it. You'll destroy drill bits or your making these holes in here so that we can have something to hold on to. A little green light on the back here that tells you if you got it safely magnetized. You have to put a lot of effort behind it. That's really it. Cutting edge cream. We'll cut this one. The last one we did. This side. that's enough for this project for this weekend. Made a lot of good headway on it. I will probably pick back up next weekend, finish it off, finish welding it all up, get it on the guy's truck. Maybe help him wire up the lighting on it. I don't know. But for the most part, this is it. If you want to take a look, this is what I made. This is a headache rack for his F-150. He really wanted it. It's coming out really nice. Made some gussets on the sides here where you can tie off to. Stuff like that. It's coming out good. Finish it up next week. I gotta put a horizontal from here to here on both sides. That's what he wanted. That's what we'll get. Kind of like the way it is, but it is what it is. So that's that. Like I said, it should end up looking somewhat like his mock-up he made me. Like that. Maybe with a little bit more flair and better looking. But that is that. So, hope you enjoyed. You know, if you happen to like it, hit like, subscribe, and until next time, see ya!